So can you tell us what are the focus areas of LCIF?
So friends, first of all, very good evening to all of you. I am so happy that today we have a discussion on LCIF, and I must thank Seema ji for doing that and taking that initiative. I always believed and felt that LCI is not complete without LCIF. Wow. LCI is only because of LCIF. Because आप हमारे जितने pillars हैं उसकी जब देखेंगे ध्यान देंगे कि why there is a Lions Club, in that the foundation or the service plays a very important role. And whatever you do in service, that is something which LCIF propagates, that you do that. At the same time, for any organization, it is important that they will have some focus areas. That yes, we want to do service, do what you want, but these are the focus areas. And I think Seema ji, when you're talking on the focus areas, of course, LCI has also talked about some of the focus areas. Few of them, I think you all are doing service, you all must be knowing it. But LCIF has talked about hunger. They do not want anybody in the world to go without food. So it is naturally a focus area by LCIF that you must take care of the hunger wherever it is. Similarly, another focus area of LCIF is eye diseases. Sight first, आप लोग सुनते होंगे, देखते होंगे, करते होंगे. Similarly, LCIF has also talked about that not only sight first by way of screening, you take care of end-to-end relating to eye. If there is anything, not only you have to screen, if you find somebody, you take care of it. Ensure that people do not have any eye diseases anywhere. Disability, that is again a focus area of LCIF. That if there is any disability anywhere, that person needs support, that person needs help. So from LCIF side, we need to take care of it. Again on cancer, LCIF talked specifically on childhood cancer. There are many organizations which talks about cancer, but LCIF specifically talks on childhood cancer because doston, believe me, there are many people who are not even getting diagnosed properly. And LCIF is propagating that at initial stages, you ensure you do the screening and those persons are taken care of. So childhood cancer is again another important part which is there. Diabetes. हम में से भी यहाँ कई लोग होंगे जिनको शायद डायबिटीज की बीमारी हो, मीठा ज्यादा खाते हैं. But at the same time, there are many people in the world who are suffering because of diabetes. They are not able to take care of it. So again, detecting from diabetes and taking care is another important thing. Youth. बिना youth के तो कुछ भी complete नहीं है. So youth is again a very focus area. How do you promote them? How do you groom them? And LCI and LCIF both have come with many plans, many programs for ensuring the progress of the youth. Humanitarian efforts. That is again, if there is any disaster anywhere, LCIF is one of the first to come forward and they take care of all the humanitarian efforts. And last is disaster relief. As I said, आप लातूर से लेके कहीं भी चले जाइए, कुछ भी आपदा आई है, कहीं भी दुनिया में, LCIF has been at the forefront and that is one of the focus areas of LCIF. So Seema ji, these are the key focus areas which LCIF is. But at the same time, service is service. They always believe that service comes first, so we keep on doing that. Thank you.